Welcome to Golden Harmony, your trusted space for living well, joyfully, and with confidence after 60. Let's dive into today's topic.
Friendships play a vital role in our emotional well-being, especially as we age. They're not just about having someone to enjoy a cup of tea with, they enrich our lives with new experiences and perspectives. Making new friends after 60 can open doors to happiness and fulfillment. Let's explore how to embark on this rewarding journey. Local community events offer wonderful opportunities to meet new people. Consider attending senior social groups or cultural gatherings where you can share common interests. Joining a club or society can also be a fantastic way to connect with like-minded individuals. These activities open up avenues for meaningful interactions. Volunteering is a great way to meet people who share your values. By offering your skills and time to help others, you also gain a sense of purpose and belonging. Look for volunteer opportunities in your area where you can make a difference and form lasting friendships with fellow volunteers. Taking up a new hobby can lead to meeting people who share your interests. Whether it's painting, gardening, or dancing, engaging in activities you love with others can create strong bonds. Consider joining a class or group to learn something new together and build connections through shared experiences. Technology offers incredible tools to stay connected in today's world. Use social media to discover local events or join online groups related to your interests. Video calls are a great way to chat face-to-face with distant friends. Embrace forums and online communities to discuss shared interests and meet new people. Fitness classes are not only great for health, but also for meeting people. Join senior-friendly fitness groups or participate in group walks or yoga sessions. Exercising together can create a sense of camaraderie, making it easier to form friendships while working towards health goals. Having the right mindset is crucial when making new friends. Approach each opportunity with an open mind and be willing to embrace diverse friendships. Focus on shared interests initially, and remember that kindness and patience go a long way in building meaningful relationships. Starting small and local can make the process less overwhelming. Attend community events or neighborhood gatherings to meet people close by. Local coffee mornings or book clubs are also great places to start. These smaller settings provide relaxed environments where you can comfortably connect with others. Old friends and acquaintances can be a wonderful source for new connections. Reconnect with former colleagues or social circles you enjoyed in the past. Sometimes rekindling past friendships can lead to meeting new people and expanding your social network in unexpected ways. Traveling is not only about exploring new places, but also about meeting new people. Consider joining a senior travel group or organizing trips with friends. Shared travel experiences can create deep bonds, and meeting fellow travelers can lead to lasting friendships. Workshops and lectures provide opportunities to learn while meeting others interested in similar topics. Engage in lifelong learning by attending educational events where you can join discussions and seminars. Not only will you expand your knowledge, but you'll also grow your social circles. Faith-based groups often provide a strong sense of community and belonging. Participating in religious community activities allows you to meet people who share your spiritual values. Engaging in discussions and group activities within these settings can foster supportive and meaningful friendships. Hosting your own gatherings can be a wonderful way to meet new people. Consider inviting neighbors over for a tea party or organizing game nights or potlucks. Create a welcoming atmosphere and encourage guests to bring friends. These events are perfect for fostering new connections in a relaxed setting. Support groups can be a valuable way to connect with others experiencing similar life changes or health challenges. By sharing stories and supporting each other, you can build bonds rooted in understanding and empathy. These groups provide a safe space for forming deep and lasting friendships. Creative activities offer a joyful way to connect with others. Join art or craft workshops, or participate in music or theater groups to share your passions. Collaborating on community projects can be especially rewarding, as you work together to create something beautiful while forming meaningful connections. Being a good listener is key to forming strong friendships. Pay attention to conversations and show genuine interest in what others have to say. Practice active listening skills, which help build rapport and empathy. By being attentive, you create a foundation for meaningful and lasting relationships. Adapting to new social norms can help bridge generational gaps. Understanding modern social etiquette and being open to different perspectives can enrich your interactions. Respecting diverse backgrounds and communicating with kindness and respect are essential for building inclusive and meaningful friendships. Building friendships takes time and effort, so patience and persistence are key. Be patient as you get to know new people and keep reaching out to others. Celebrate small social successes along the way, knowing that each step brings you closer to forming meaningful relationships. Reflecting on your social needs can guide you in forming the right friendships. Consider the types of connections you desire and set personal social goals. Identify the activities you enjoy and balance social time with personal needs. This reflection helps ensure your social endeavors are fulfilling and enjoyable. Maintaining a positive and open-minded attitude is crucial when making new friends. Embrace each opportunity with optimism and view challenges as chances for growth. Stay hopeful about meeting new people, as each encounter brings the possibility of a meaningful friendship. Staying active in your community not only helps you meet new people, but also strengthens local ties. Participate in community events and engage with local initiatives. By supporting neighborhood activities, you contribute to a vibrant community, making it easier to build lasting friendships. It's important to be kind to yourself during your social journey. Acknowledge your efforts and give yourself credit for reaching out and trying. Manage your expectations realistically and practice self-compassion. Remember, forming new friendships is a process, and taking care of yourself is an essential part of it. Your home can be a wonderful space for nurturing friendships. Make it inviting for guests by hosting small gatherings where conversations can flow comfortably. Decorate with warmth and charm to create a welcoming environment. Sharing meals and conversations at home can help deepen your connections. Embrace this new chapter in your life as a wonderful opportunity to form new friendships. Focus on the positive aspects and enjoy the richness these connections bring. Look forward to a fulfilling future filled with companionship and shared experiences. The world is full of wonderful people waiting to meet you.
Thank you so very much for watching this video today. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you enjoyed.